Okay, well, today, over the winter when we had some bad storms, the wind, we've had this tree here. We just left it up here because it's just riddled with holes from woodpeckers coming and using it as a little spot to find bugs and stuff like that. We decided we'd leave it up, but over the winter, you can see the other portion of it blew over. It's now resting in the trees there, and it's so rotten that when it hit, the top actually broke off and fell into our riding arena. So it's a little bit of a hazard now. So anyways, we brought out the tractor today and a chain, and we tied it around this piece. And we were able to yank it over, roots and all, so it just kind of shows you how rotten it is. So next we're going to see if we can get this one down without it falling into the arena and busting our fence. Tie a chain around the bottom and pull it out this way, and we're hoping it's going to go that way. But we'll see what happens. Anyways, that's our next plan of attack here. So I'm sure we'll get a little bit of this on film, and you can see how it works out. Hopefully it works out the way I say. Anyways, we'll talk to you in just a bit. Bye. Go, mate. Be careful because it's so rotten, it's unbelievable.
Nice work, Kennedy. Into the arena.
Quite to as planned, but it's down, and we didn't damage our fence, even though that other piece broke from the top and fell straight down like a torpedo, but at least it fell just clear of our fence. So anyways, that's it for now. Now all we've got is a big mess to clean up. So that's what I'll be doing next, and with the help of my son Jovian there, we'll start cleaning up now. So from the farm life, everybody have a good day.